Hi everyone, now I am giving a small demonstration. How can you switch between PHP versions on Linux-based operating system? To change the operating system, I will give you some demonstration on the Ubuntu operating system. I hope this will be same for all the operating system which is Debian based and other. So if you have any queries or any thought of this, please share on your comments. To first, you have to run this command sudo update alternatives space double dash config space php. So when executing this command, it will ask for your sudo user password, and when giving the password it will show you all the versions of the PHP that is currently installed in your operating system. So whatever I'm seeing that the 0 is the default mode which is like when you set up this, the latest version that is installed on your OS will be selected by automatic. On the other end, all the other PHP versions are is the manual one, so that whenever what are the updates you have received or have are the upgrades you install, the PHP version on your operating system will never be uh, changed with this. So if you want to install any specific PHP version, let's say like 7.2, so you can see that the point was the selection number will be the 3. So when I put 3 and press enter, let's say what the updates and what is my PHP version. So it's 7.2.34. Again, let's update the PHP version to little bit older, like 5.6. Which to select the value, you have to put the value on the selection field. So from there, the 5.6 value is 2, and when you check the PHP version again, you can see that the PHP version is changed again from 7.2 to 5.6. And to make it everything as it is, you just have to change it to the default value, that is 0. So now if you see that, I just clear my screen, and now I am running on the PHP 8.1. The changes I just show you between PHP version is only gonna work for the PHP CLI version. That will not affect the PHP which is also running on the running for the browser. So I will share any updates on how to change the PHP version of Webn when you are using a multiple development environment. Thank you for your stay.